Hey everyone, I got great news. I ordered a GH5 and a DJI stabilizer and a new lens and a bunch of things so I can up the quality of my videos. I'm trying to transition a little bit of to make it so it's not just code videos, but it's more than code. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be going with B-rolls. I'll be able to go outside. I'll be able to carry it. It's going to be really nice. I can record in 4K for those who actually can run 4K, and it's going to be amazing. Today I'm going to be going over prototypes. I'm just going to be doing a skim through just to get those who really have never heard of it before, to get them to understand what's going on. And then if anyone's interested, I could do another one explaining it in more depth. So in JavaScript, everything's built off of objects. And what we're going to do is we're going to modify the head object. We're going to modify the prototype. So an example of this is when we do something like so let me throw this on in a variable. We're going to have a variable, we'll just make an example, and we're going to take a string. So let's just say hello. We're going to do dot split. I'm going to split it by spaces. Now let's have to console.log it because we're using like a Node app right now. So here we go. So it splits up hello. It splits up every letter into an array. Each one is their own string. That split method works on the prototype of the, or it's a method on the string prototype. So let's say we wanted to edit that. So got string here, we got prototype and split. I'm going to change it because I don't like it, and I'm going to make it do something else. I'm going to make it return a number. So let's say 152. So when I run this, something's going to change. Now, I do have to put this before it's called. But let's see what happens. So you see now, when split was called, it changed the value of hello. It didn't split it. So I just edited one of the main and one of the heavily used method of JavaScript. And that's what you could do with prototypes. So you can go and you can change, all these array.push, you can change that to do something else. Array pop, you could change really anything, because you could just go into the prototype and go and change it. So that's pretty much how JavaScript works. If you were working on like a big company application and you guys knew that there's something you'd constantly do to an array or a string or a number or an object or a function, any of those, you can go and add to the prototype, and then the whole company app will have it as long as it's in scope. So as long as you edit it properly and you put it into the right file, you can make it so the whole company now has the updated split instead of the old one, which we don't like. That's pretty much how prototypes work. You can go and you can edit the core object, because JavaScript is all made up. Everything's an object. An array is really an object in JavaScript. It's not a list or anything until it gets turned into C++. But in JavaScript, everything's object with objects. So you can actually go and edit the core methods like I did right here. That's pretty much it. There's not much to it. It's just understanding this, and then if you go in your Chrome your Chrome tools, you can actually go and see the prototype functions that sit on strings, numbers, functions, objects, all those. So you can actually go and see it. I recommend playing with it. It's not the most used thing, but if you need to use it, now you know how.